It's the next day. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I actually have to move out of my room today. I choked on my booking. I thought I had another 3 to 4 days. Sadikap. Sadikap. I thought I had a few more days with my room. Anyway, I love the area so much. I'm still going to stay here. So I was lucky enough to secure another room within the same place that I'm staying in, which I'll show you after breakfast. Just going to walk out to the street and grab something to eat. Just want to show you this thing here. This is a water station. So you come into here, you bring your bottle, you chuck it into here, and obviously you pay for it there. These are all over Bangkok. Don't drink the local water. Use these things. It's a lot cheaper than 7-Eleven. You can still go to 7-Eleven, but these are really good. Just stick your bottle here, the water comes out, and then just press your buttons and away you go. Just while we hunt down some street food for breakie, I just want to show you where the laundry is. There's a couple of community laundries along this soi, and hopefully it's open. Here's the laundry, and there's see, there's another water station right here. Cotton cup, oh, study cup. And here's your laundries. These are all over the streets. They cost 30 baht. These are really convenient when your hotel doesn't have the facilities to be able to wash your clothes. Now, the laundry powder you have to supply yourself. It's really easy. There's a couple of shops along these streets that will sell that stuff, and there's no drying facilities here. But look, you know, you hang your clothes out for 15 minutes and they're virtually dried. Sadikap. Rồi nè. Cafe.
Cafe Thailand.
Cafe Thailand. Cha? Anicha. So this is tea, and this one's cafe Thai. Yeah. Tao Rai, crap. Tao Rai.
ร้อนหรือเย็น ไอหรือ hot
Hot, ron.
ร้อน20
Yisip. So you can get a cup of coffee here for $1. Chai, Tao Rai.
ชาร้อนก็20
Yisip. So tea is the same thing as well, 20 baht. I had one yesterday, absolutely a roy mark, but it went straight through me. Seriously, as soon as I ate it, it just went straight through me. I have a weak stomach for coffee. Tea's okay, but the coffee, oh man, the coffee just, yeah, not a good look. Cop and carp. Look at it. Look how dark that is. Is that okay?
อันนี้เอสเพรสโซ่
Mocha gel trap?
เอสเพรสโซ่กาแฟ
Oh, cafe.
กา
Yeah.
แฟนอกผสม
Mason. Yeah. And as you can see, he's just making it now.
come from
ประเทศออสเตรเลีย
Australia
Australia yeah okay ขอบคุณครับ
ครับ
I think that's ginger อันนี้อะไรครับ
potato
oh potato okay it's not ginger it looks like ginger ขอโทษนะคุณทำอะไรนี่อะไรครับ
ไข่ปิ้ง
ไข่พิง
ไข่ปิ้ง
this one ไข่พิง
ข้าวเหนียวปิ้ง
oh ข้าวเหนียวพิง yeah you've probably heard of this on the streets. This is called Khao Neo, which I just bought off that guy, and seriously 2 seconds later I purchased this and he's gone. So they just keep moving up and down the street, excuse me, and to find customers. Khao Neo, this is Khao Neo, otherwise known as sticky rice. It's wrapped in I think that's bamboo leaf, and it's really hot, so it's really hot, man. It's burning my fingers. Khao Neo, let's have a look at it. Absolutely delicious. A really good treat to have any time of the day, but for breakfast, a great mark. Yeah, he charged me 30 baht for that, which is just over $1. I'm sure, you know, for the Thais it's probably 20 baht. It's the dual pricing here in Thailand is it is the way it is. I think I mentioned that in another video. It's a bit frustrating, but just go with it. Nothing you can do. See over here, there's another another water station, and also some more washing machines. Sakpa, chai, sakpa, which means wash clothes, clean clothes. Yeah. So this lady here looks like Kun Samarai. Okay, so this lady here is a seamstress, and she's making money now. But so she can fix your clothes. Actually, I have my shorts need a button.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Yes.
this lady here can fix my shorts. And she's just in this little laneway. Have a look. This is where she works. Look now. It's amazing what you can find just walking these streets. This is why I love this area so much. I walk it every day, and every day is different, and I meet a new person, a new conversation every day. I can make a video, I reckon, within 100 meters from my room, and it will be different every day. Set it up.